awesome people who love ethical fashion. It's Arpitha, and I've got some really cool stuff cooking for you. Think of it like I'm making a super cool painting, and soon I will show you the finished masterpiece on my new website. While we are waiting for the big reveal, how about hanging out together? Check out my YouTube channel for lots of videos about ethical fashion. It's like a gold mine waiting for you. And if you are into listening more than watching, I've got a podcast where we chat about all things ethical fashion, sustainability, and more cool stuff. Hit follow on your favorite podcast platform. If you are into regular updates and a bit of everyday magic, head over to my Instagram page. Let's make social media a place for inspiration and positive change. And guess what? I'd love to hear from you. If you want to chat, share ideas, or collaborate, head to the contact page on my website. Shoot me an email. I am all ears. Thanks for being part of this awesome journey towards a more sustainable and stylish world. Can't wait to show you my masterpiece soon. Until then, let's keep in touch. Don't forget to follow along on socials. We are making ethical fashion a lifestyle, not just a trend. See you soon.